Hey there, hope everyone's having a good day. And to diversify the watches a little bit, we're going to be taking a look at a G-Shock and this one particularly a G-Steel. G-Steel aren't one of the more popular watches, or they don't have that many models. I think they only have about 13 at the time of this filming, at least 13 that they actively have available. Now this model is the GST-B100B-1A4. I personally like the G-Steel watches from G-Shock. I like the way they look. They're a little bit fancier than the traditional plastic G-Shocks, and they just got kind of this neat design to them that when you're wearing them, people are like, oh, you know, what watch are you wearing there? It usually gets a lot of attention. And here we've got the all black with the hints of orange there. So very stealth-like looking watch. The watch is a great look and value for the money. When else can you get a watch that looks like this? It looks a lot nicer than the price tag. So with this G-Steel model, it connects through Bluetooth. You gotta get an app, a G-Shock app, and that helps you set all the different things from your phone instead of fiddling with all the buttons on the watch. What's also nice is that the watch is 200 meters water resistant. The watch is also solar powered, which is nice because of all of its functions, and you don't have to worry about getting the battery changed. With solar powered watches, you should keep them in the light. If you keep them tucked away in a drawer for too long, they tend not to work as well. So always keep that in mind if you purchase a solar powered watch. And let's take a look at the wrist shot here. My wrist is about a 7.5 inch wrist, and you can see the watch. It's a little bit of a larger size case, but it still looks really good. It hugs the wrist, so it's not really boxy. It doesn't feel, large. It just feels good. You got some wrist support there, the curve from the case, and you can see that the straps are bolted in. And here, let's take a look at it at night. It's got a little bit of the lume, but it also has an LED light function. Thank you. Have a good one, y'all.